Alright, are you ready?
Yeah!
We're going to learn about family, how to sign family words, okay? So our first one is mom. Do you remember how to sign mom? Or mommy? Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm. So what would be the sign for daddy? Daddy or dad? Daddy, dad.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm. So the next word is sister. Okay? So you're going to put your hand out like this. Sister.
Sister.
Sister. So right, now who is he?
AJ.
And he's your
Brother.
Put your finger out like you did for sister.
Sister.
Okay, now watch. You're gonna go brother. Brother. Yep, good job. Right, our next sign is baby. Are you ready? You're gonna put it like this?
Baby.
Baby. Yes. Baby. So after baby is parents. So remember, it's like mom and dad but combined. Parents.
Parents.
Yes, good job. Parents.
Parents.
Now, you are a child. He is a child. So you're going to make a little curve and go child. Child.
Like a small.
Yes, like a small kid. Child.
Child.
Our last word is family. Make an F. Family.
Family. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel.